In today's video, we are talking about some issues, some constraints, some recommendations on how to get your Ford Maverick built sooner than later. So stay tuned. Let's talk about 2023 Maverick orders. What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your salesperson. We are at Tomball Ford and we are located in Tomball, Texas. Welcome to yet another video. We are talking about the 2023 Maverick orders and I want to share some info so that you are fully aware as to what is happening with the Maverick ordering system. And by the way, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and to like the video and share it if you like content like this, informational stuff that can help you get your vehicle built sooner. Point number one, let me start off by mentioning that if you are a 2022 Maverick Order E and got pushed over to 2023, you need to make sure that your dealership puts you at the lowest priority code possible. The priority code has always been a concern, always been an issue, and a lot of people still do not understand. So let me start off by saying that the priority code is basically telling Ford how quickly you want that vehicle to be built. For example, some of our vehicles like a Super Duty, we sometimes put them at a priority code 99 because the customer is waiting for an option that's going to be available at a later time. And we do not want Ford to pick that order up. So we put it at a priority code 99. Ford will never ever build that until we change that priority code and assign it either a 10 through a 19. So this is where you folks that had a 2022 and converted to a 2023 need to make sure that your dealership assigns you the lowest priority code possible, which is a priority code 10. A 10 will be built faster, sooner than a 19, for example. And I can tell you right now that there's going to be a lot of dealerships that they don't pay attention, they don't know, or they don't care, and they assign everybody the same priority code, which is not fair for you that have been waiting and got pushed to a 2023. So make sure that you get an order summary form from your dealer, from your salesperson, from the GM of your store, and make sure that the priority code is listed as a 10. We've done that for all of my customers, and any new orders that are new for 2023, I am not putting them at a 10. I am putting them maybe 15, 16 through 19, depending on when they submitted the order. But please make sure that you get yourself a priority code 10 if you are a customer that switched from a 22 to a 23. Point number two that I want to share with you is the fact that most of the orders that Ford received nationally throughout all of the dealerships have been with the hybrid engine. So I'm going to read off. Ford is reminding us salespeople and dealerships to talk to customers about them receiving 73% of their orders being the hybrid 2.5 engine. Which, man, I don't doubt it because it's a phenomenal engine. The many that I have sold, people have been getting actually more than the advertised fuel economy. But because of the popularity, Ford received 73% of the orders to be the hybrid. But guess what? The available capacity to build hybrids for 2023 is 35%. That is not good at all. So if you are interested in locking in almost a guarantee to get your Maverick in 2023, I would ask you to consider switching over to the Ecoboost engine. Now, it is about 10 miles per gallon less than the hybrid, but it is still a phenomenal engine, still gives you power and fuel efficiency, and you can dramatically improve your chances of getting your Maverick for 2023. It would be horrible. It would be complete bad news, and in some cases unacceptable, to have your order pushed to a 2024. But guess what? I bet you it's going to happen. Point number three is just to inform you that Ford is actually doing something special, and what they're doing is that they are giving a package discount when you combine two features. One of them is a sprayed-in bed liner, and the other one is the cargo management system, which is the rails system that is built in to the inside bed of the truck. The whole cost of that is itemized would be $495 for the bed liner and $295 for the cargo management system. Now you're getting both for the $495 cost, which essentially is giving you the cargo management system for free at no charge right now. Okay, point number 4, and this is a big one. Ford is telling us to inform our existing customers of the ability to switch packages, add packages which are running under the available capacity, running under. That's a key point right there, which basically means that Ford can accept more of these orders and you should be golden, you should be good to go. Number one that I want to mention is the XLT luxury package. Right now, Ford is basically have taken in about 25% of the XLT luxury package, and they've got a capacity of 35, which includes your power seating, inverters, heated mirrors, body colored skull cap, heated seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, lighting inside of the bed of the truck, your receiver hitch, 4-pin connection, and a windshield wiper de-icer. We're here in Houston, we don't use that, but you get that, so make sure you consider that. Lariat luxury package is another one. They've got a capacity of 30%, but they've only received about 20% of these. So this includes your B&O sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, heated seats, steering wheel, lighting inside of the bed of the truck, your receiver hitch, and navigation, subwoofer, and a few other things. So the Tremor off-road package, man, this is a feature that gives you off-road suspension, trail control, four-wheel drive, heavier duty transmission cooler, receiver hitch, and some Tremor interior and exterior options. Guess what? They're at a capacity of 10%, but Ford has received and they're taken in at a rate of 2%. So the Tremor package, if you want it, it's there. Go get it because it's available and Ford is under capacity. The other one is the Ford Copilot 360. Ford has a capacity of 60% and they are at 50% right now. The orders that have come in are at 50%. This includes your blind spot monitoring system, which I absolutely love and that I feel should be standard on all of the vehicles. Cross traffic alert, lane keeping system is all in the Ford Copilot 360. Now, going back to the spray-in bed liner and the cargo management system that I told you before, that you're basically getting both items for under 500 bucks. Well, they are at 39% available capacity and they have only taken 19% of that with that option. So I would recommend getting that as well if that's something that you are interested in. Point number 5 is just a reminder to you that you are able to make changes to your existing Maverick order that you have on your dealership system, pending that you have not received a build date or a VIN number, a scheduled build date. If you have, then it's too late. You cannot make any changes whatsoever. But if you have not received an email from Ford stating that you have been selected to be scheduled to have a build date, then you're good to go. Now, back in 2022, if we made any modifications to the orders or changed on the powertrain, it would actually change your position on that master list. Ford stated that for 2023, you are able to make any changes to the retail order and you're not going to be losing your place in line, including the powertrain. So if you do need to change from a hybrid to the Ecoboost, then please do so. You don't lose your spot in line. Lastly, I want to share with you that the Ford Copilot 360 Assist, which is required under the Lariat package, has a capacity of 25% and Ford has received only 8% of the orders with this package, which I feel a lot of people think that is standard because it used to be on a 2022. Now it's an itemized item. And this basically gives you adaptive cruise control, evasive steering, and backup sensor. So from 8%, they have a lot of ground to cover to get to 25% capacity. So consider that as well. Well, there you have it. This is a video talking about the Ford Maverick and how you can get your Maverick sooner than later. And yes, I do not like the situation that we're in right now with microchip shortages, part constraints, and it sucks. It royally does. I wish we could be in a situation where we can order your vehicle no matter what it was, and I could get it here within 6 to 8 weeks. That was a turnaround, not in some cases 2 years like it has taken for the Ford Bronco. But hey, we have to take what we have. We have to make the best that we can out of what we are given. And in this case, this is what we have. So hopefully you can evaluate your situation and you can see where you're at. You can see what you have on order. And if you are able to compromise a little bit to get your Maverick in for 2023, then I told you what to do. Primary thing is for those hybrid customers, change it to an Ecoboost. That'll definitely almost guarantee you getting a 2023. But yeah, there you have it, guys. This is I saw this notification come through our dealer site, and I know a lot of salespeople don't go into that to see what is the new and relevant information. So I thought I'd make this video, and I'm hopeful that it has been helpful for you. So if it has, please let me know in the comments below that you got some value out of this video. And if you did, if you can, please share it with somebody that might see value in it. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos, and make sure that you turn on that bell notification so that you are notified the next time that I upload an informative video like today's, the 2023 Maverick Order Chaos. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jorge Lopez, and I am your salesperson in Tomball Ford, located in Tomball, Texas. If you have any questions, the comment section below is always open, and I read every single comment. Thanks again, guys. Have a blessed day.